Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS for MariaDB 11.4 and connect from MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. Okay, so first connect to AWS console, then click on services, then search for RDS. See here we have the Aurora on RDS, click on it, then click on databases or click on database instances. See, I don't have any databases. So to create new database for the MariaDB, you have to click on create database. Then see here we have two methods, database creation method and easy create. So select standard create and come to engine options. See here we have different options. See here we have the MariaDB selected, then scroll down. Once you selected, it populated the list of the versions available. So I'm going to select the latest one, that is 11.4.4. Select it. Then templates. See here we have three options: production, dev or test, or free tier. So these two are paid. See, based on your requirement, you select templates. I'm going with free tier for this demo purpose. So select it. Then provide the database instance identifier name. Name can be anything. I'm giving RDS MariaDB 11.4.5. This is the version number. Then master username, admin, or you can give any admin, and it must satisfy this condition. Okay, remember this master username which is required to connect to AWS RDS database for MariaDB. Then set the password for this master username. Okay, it must satisfy these conditions. Okay, it cannot contain any of these letters also. Keep in that mind and provide the password or set the password. Then instance configuration. See here for free tier we have only perishable classes available, and in that also we have only these two classes. Select either of them, but if you select production or dev, these will be enabled. Okay, so then storage we have these options. I am going with SSD GP2. Then allocated storage 20, additional storage information. If you want to enable storage auto scaling, select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. It is up to you. See, this availability and durability is not available for the free tier template. Okay, so connectivity, if you want connect from EC2 instance, EC2 compute to series source, you have to select this one. I don't want. Select the network type IPv4. It is by default selected. Okay, it is virtual private cloud. I don't have anything, so it will create new one. If you have any VPC in this region, it will show here. So I don't have anything in this North Virginia US East one. So that's why it is not showing in the drop down list. Then DB subnet group. See, we don't have anything, so it will create new subnet group. Okay, public access, select test. Then firewall, that is VPC security group. Select choose existing or create new. So I want to create new VPC security group for this MariaDB. So provide the name. Let's see. As you mean security group availability zone. Select any one of them. Then I am not going to create this RDS proxy. Then tags I am not going. Additional configuration. See the default port for MariaDB is 3306. Authentication. See here we have only two methods: password authentication and password IAM database authentication. I am going with password authentication. Monitoring. If you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select the checkbox, and if you want to export these logs, you have to select this one. Okay. Then additional configuration. If you want to create any database, initial database like MariaDB, I want to create bank DB parameter groups. So this is the default one. Optional also default one. Backup, enable automated backups. If you want to enable, you can select it. If you don't want, unselect it. Okay, and backup retention policy, we have 0 to 35 days. Okay, select based on your requirement. Backup window, you can select here. Choose window or no preferences. Copy text to snapshot, etc. If you want to delete production, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want. So review these settings one more time. Okay, MariaDB. Then templates, then the version, that is engine version. Okay, then password, identifier name, etc. If you are okay with all the settings, then come down to here and click on create database. So I'm okay with all the settings, then click on create database. See, close this one. See, database creation is in progress. Okay, wait until the status to be changed to available or running. Then we will connect to this MariaDB RDS instance. Okay, refresh this one. See, still status is creating. And if you want to see the credentials, click on view credentials. See here, this is the master username. If you want to copy this password, just click on copy master password and open any text editor or save it. Okay, see, suppose if you forgot this master password, you can select it and you can click on modify, then you can change the password. That I will show you after the status to be changed to available. See the message, successfully created database. Okay, so see, status is backing up, no issues, so click on it. See, also here view connection details, this is the endpoint. Okay, so click on this endpoint and see the port number, VPC information, availability zone information, logs, monitoring, etc. information. Come to this connectivity and security, then click on this button, that is endpoint, then open DBeaver or MySQL Workbench. I have already installed MySQL Workbench on my PC. Click on open it, click on this plus button, then provide the name for the connection, MariaDB 1145, this is the version name, RDS. Then in the host name, see, for host name we have to give that endpoint, port number 3306, username is admin, because see here, your connection, master username is admin. So if you forgot the password, click on this copy button, then go to MySQL Workbench, then come to password, store in vault, paste that password, click on OK. Then default schema, we have created bank, so give the bank or give the blank, then click on text connection. This is the way to connect to AWS RDS. Click on continue anyway. See, successfully made MySQL connection. See here the host name, port number, username, SSL. Okay, click on OK, click on OK, click on again this RDS connection. See, we have the bank database, InnoDB, SysDB. If you want to create database, right click and create schema. Okay, if you want to see the administration, see here you can find the users and other information. Now if you want to run the queries, just type, suppose if you want to create table, run the commands here. Okay, then let me create a table, create table click on this execute button. See, successfully created, expand it, right click and refresh. Wait a moment, it will list. See here we have the table. Okay, so this is one way of connecting to AWS RDS for MariaDB. In the same way, if you want to connect from the DBeaver, open DBeaver application, click on this close, click on this plus button, then select MariaDB, then click on next, then in server host, go to here, copy this one, go to here, paste it, provide the database name that is there, username is admin, provide the password of this master username, click on this copy button, paste it, then you have to click on test connection. Okay, say successfully connected, click on OK, click on finish, expand it, expand databases. See here we have the bank database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL to run the queries against this database. If you want to verify data from the customer, select customer that we have created, but if you want to insert data, so it will give the blank output. See here, no data is there. Okay, so we have successfully connected to database. Suppose if you want to modify the password of this master user, go to here, provide the new password. Okay, go back to databases, instances. Okay, last option, if you want to reboot, click on reboot. Come to actions, reboot. If you want to delete, click on delete. If you want to stop temporarily, click on stop temporarily. Okay, my strong recommendation, if you are not using, permanently delete it. If you want to use it again, you have to click on stop temporarily. Okay, why? Because I am asking you to delete. Charges are based on usage. So in this video, we have seen how to create or set up AWS RDS for MariaDB 11.4 and connected from the MySQL Workbench and DBeaver. For more AWS or MySQL or MariaDB or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.